The Alaskan malamute, scientifically known as Canis lupus familiaris Alaskan malamute, is a distinct and powerful domesticated canine breed that sets itself apart from other animals. Recognized for its robust build, wolf-like appearance, and endurance in harsh conditions, the Alaskan malamute possesses a unique combination of traits. What truly distinguishes this breed is its historical role as a vital part of Arctic exploration and transportation. Originating from the harsh Arctic regions, these dogs were bred to haul heavy freight, reflecting their incredible strength and teamwork. Today, their remarkable physical attributes and unyielding work ethic have made them not only beloved companions, but also extraordinary sled dogs. The Alaskan malamute is a breed of distinction among domesticated animals, celebrated for its unwavering dedication and their indomitable spirit in challenging environments. Tiger. Flamingo. Buffalo. Bear. Goat. Cat. Hippo. Camel. Koala.